16 Wishes is one of my favorite Disney movies. It follows Abby as she turns 16 and realizes that all of her birthday wishes are beginning to come true. It isn't until she gets what she wants she realizes she should be careful what she wished for. I've been a fan of this movie since childhood. Even years later as an adult, I still enjoy it. When I was a kid, I loved the concept of getting everything you wish for. As an adult, I've learned it's about the journey, not the destination. So for today's video, I thought it would be fun to recreate Abby Jensen's 16 Wishes poster. Only instead of writing Abby's wishes, I'm going to write my own. So here's how I created Anastasia's 23 wishes. For this project, you'll need markers or colored pens, pencil with an eraser, some washi tape, and a poster board. If you don't have these exact supplies, that's fine. You could even create this on a piece of notebook paper or in your journal. And if you don't have the washi tape, you simply can get a marker and just decorate the border yourself. So first I started off by using the washi tape to create a border around the edge. My washi tape design is different than what Abby actually had on hers, but I just used what I had. So this is how it looks after I fully added the border. So I grabbed a pencil and at the top I wrote Anastasia's 23 wishes. Then I'm just gonna number everything 1 to 23, then actually write down my wishes. I did use a ruler when writing down my wishes because I wanted them to be even, but that part is optional. So this is the finished list. Now comes the fun part. So I grabbed my markers and went over all of the writing. I tried to use the same colors that Abby Jensen used on her poster, but I didn't go out and buy any new markers, so I just used what I had and tried to match it the closest. This is how it looks after I finished writing everything out with markers. Then I'm just going to decorate this. So for me, I hand drew all of my decorations, but if you want, you can just use stickers. I would recommend either going to Dollar Tree or Five Below for stickers. Remember that after you finish using your markers, once it's completely dry, you want to grab an eraser and just erase all of the pencil marks underneath. Then you are completely finished with this project. I had a lot of fun working on this. It's fun to just sit and be creative in a way that doesn't feel like it needs to be monetized. So this was really enjoyable for me, and honestly, I would recommend this to anyone who loved the movie growing up, regardless of age. This is the finished board. I think it came out really cute. This was a lot of fun. I did this pretty much in like a day mostly. This is a fun project to like sit down and do. I feel like this is very fun if like it's summertime, you're bored and you're just looking for something to do. I did change mine slightly from hers. So like she has like the giant like picture at the bottom of hers and things like that, but I wanted to make mine personal to me, so it's a little different, but it's really, really cute, and I'm excited to like hang this up somewhere as like a birthday decoration. So if your birthday is coming up, or even if it's not, I feel like this is a fun thing to do. So let me know if you make this exact same thing. I would love to see pictures of like other people making these. I tried to look online to see if I could find anyone recreating these, and I think mostly everyone just kind of did the exact same one from the movie. So I feel like doing like a personalized one is really cool. If you wanted, you could even do like more with this. Like you can add stickers and glitter and just have fun with it, you know? But for me, I thought this was cute. So that's mine. That's all I have to say for this video. Peace out.